Greetings, fellow adventurers. My name is Dave Thum. My company is called Overland Adventurer Designs, and I started it because I had an idea for a product from my motorcycle packing experiences. It's called the Kit Kube. It has 3 sizes. So here's your large size, here's the medium size, which you can see is half the size of a large, and the small size is half the size of the medium, so that they nest together in a nice rectangular package to fill your spaces. The nice thing about the 2 layers is the same height as the width of a small or medium, so if you've got a little extra room in your pannier, you can turn it sideways and fill it up. As we have here in this Jessie pannier, where there's enough room for 2 layers this way, but not quite enough room to fit another one in this way, but we can turn it sideways and take full advantage of all the space available in the Jessie. The number one thing that people respond to and like is the fact that it has the window on the front, so you can see the contents of the kits that you create. Each one has a handle, so you can grab a whole bunch of them at one time and take them with you. Grab what you need out of the pannier, go into your tent or your cabin, so it makes it easy to transport. It's water repellent. You can pour water on it, it'll run off. It's got heavy-duty, oversized zippers that go around the corners really well with injection molded tabs that are glove-friendly for the motorcycle people. And just been very happy with the response I've been getting to the product. So check it out. Hope you like it.